Hello friends, welcome back to Android app development tutorials. In today's video, we will learn a widget called Cardview. While using WhatsApp, you must have noticed that all your friends' display pictures are shown in the form of a circular image view. This is actually a card view that wraps an image view. With the help of a card view, we can have rounded corners for our different widgets. Or you must have noticed some rounded corners in our edit text or text view. This is possible with the help of a widget called Cardview. So let's now learn how to create it. In continuation to my previous project video, I have created a new activity called Cardview in my previous project, and I'll go to the split view now and replace this layout with a relative layout. And now let's first try to create a card view as we create other widgets. And as you can see, there are no suggestions for our card view. This is because Android does not provide card view by default. We need to import the library that contains the properties of our card view. Because it is basically used for designing purpose, everybody is not interested in using it. So let's first add the library manually. Go to your file and go to project structure, click on dependencies and go to this plus button and add a library dependency to add our card view. Card view is contained in support design library, so type here design and press search. It will automatically show you all the suggestions, and we just need to add the library that we need. And as you can see, we are shown the list of all the libraries available. So click on the first library, that is com.android support design Google library 28.0.0 version, and click OK and next OK, and our dependency will be automatically added to our Gradle files, and it will take time to sync the files. The Gradle build has started. Once this dependency is installed, we will automatically get the card view in the list when we type card view. The dependency has been added now, so let's now try to add card view to our activity. So type angle bracket and type card view, and as you can see, it is shown up in the list. Click on it and give it a width and height same, and if you want it to be circular in shape, then give it same width and height, say 300 dps, and same height. Give it an ID, say card view, and put it in center of the screen. Now to give it a round corner, we need to use attribute called card corner radius. To have our card circular in shape, give a card corner radius of half its height. Say now it will be 150 dps in case of 300 dps of height, and close the angle brackets. Now in this card view, we will have a relative layout or any layout you like, so that we can create our widgets in that layout. So give it a width and height of match parent to match our card view dimensions, and close it. And now in this relative layout, we will create an image view to give image to our card view. Type image view, give it width and height as match parent, and give it a background, anything you want. In my drawable, I have nature image, so I'll give it a nature image. And as you can see in the design file, now we have a circular image. This is because of the card corner radius attribute of our card view. Now let's try to put a text view in a card view. So below this card view 1, let's create a new card view. Type card view, give its width and height as, say, width as match parent and height as 50 dps, give it an id, say Cardview 2, card 2, and put it below our card 1, id Cardview. Give it a margin top, say 20 dp, and close it. In here, create a relative layout and give it a width and height of match parent. Close the relative layout. In the relative layout, create a text view. Give its width and height as match parent. Give this text view a background so as to differentiate it. Give it a color primary and give it a text, say nature view. Give it a text color of color white to make it visible, hash FFF, and give it a text style bold and text size as 30 dps, and close the angle brackets. Give this card view a margin layout as 10 dps. And now the interesting part, to make its corners rounded, we just need to give a new property called card corner radius, and this time we will not make it circular. Instead, we will give a little rounded shapes to its corners, say 40 dps, and let's see and run the application. And as you can see, we have created two different designs with this magical widget called Cardview. Only this much about Cardview. See you in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Subscribe for more such educational content.